everybody. This is the week 3 reminder. There should be one for almost every week this quarter of the semester. You're already in week 3. Remember that your review is due by 11:59 on Friday. You need to read this and make sure that you understand that you're talking about every single item that is in this week, and be very thorough. You know, it says 150 words, but there's no excuse for being 175 words. It means you just kind of glanced over everything. It needs to be thorough. This is your final review document, so please make sure that you're being complete. It is a file. Now, not a discussion board. It's only a discussion board for the first week, and it must be in a Word document. Here's where you put it in the Dropbox. So it must be in a Word document. You need to make sure that there's headings that say descriptives and frequencies, write a video and talk about this. Then go down here and do reliability, put a heading for reliability. And then do choosing this and talk about each and every one of these items, other than, let's say, the homework. So let's talk about this. This descriptives and frequencies, write a video. Along with this, okay, this is about 12 minutes long. You listen to it over and over again, okay? And then basically you're going to do the write-up based on these numbers right here, okay? And then you put it in the Dropbox, okay? It has to be in a Word document. Those are your 2 assignments. This one is very important, especially if you're doing a capstone, because a lot of the capstones use a lot of descriptives and frequencies. So if you don't understand something, ask questions, text me, call me, whatever. Okay. So you have these 2. So basically this is a YouTube video, and I'm not gonna watch this right now, but here it is in YouTube. So if you were to go to the top here and you were to type in my name, sorry, let's do this, okay? And you can subscribe to my channel, and all my videos are there. I've got tons of videos that you can listen to. I've got stuff that I've dealt with in terms of all kinds of stuff. Different schools, and how to write up an annotated bibliography. Why do you do an IRB? Peer-reviewed in library use. Okay. Let's see what else. I have APA citations if you're struggling with those. And then basically a lot of the stuff that we've done now and in the past. YouTube is a great source to learn things when you can't understand me. Okay, so please take advantage of that. And there's also other videos on there about how to write up descriptives and frequencies. Okay, so when you turn this in, I don't want these boxes. All I want is your actual write-up. Okay, now, there's a specific way of getting it done. It is delineated in here. But if you have questions, I don't care how small they are, get them to me. Last thing is revisions. Revisions are really important. From now until next Friday at noon, if you've turned it in by then, you will. I check it probably about 1 o'clock on Friday. Okay, that'll probably be the last time I'm going to check. We can go back back and forth as many times as we possibly can to get it right. So if you make a mistake, don't worry about it. You're going to get a revision. It's your job to stay on top of the revisions, not mine. I'm not going to track you down and say, hey, you've got revisions. No. A lot of times I get up in the morning, first thing in the morning, 5-ish, between 6 and 7, I am grading every paper that's in there. Okay, so that night or that next morning, you're usually going to get your edits back. And we'll go back and forth in the room, in Populi, until it's right. Or Sunday night comes around. Okay? So if you wait till you do your edits until Sunday and they're not right, you get the grade. Understand this very clearly. Your grade will be low until it's done, till Sunday night, or it is completely done. If you look on there and you get your full amount of points, you're done. You don't have to do any more. Okay? So if it's worth 5 points, you're probably going to get 2. Okay? Or 3. Whatever the right score is at that moment. When you edit it all the way, and Sunday night rolls around at midnight, and I get up in the morning on Monday, whatever is in there at that time, that will be your final grade. This is a lot of work for me with all the students I have. But this is how you learn how to do this. I need you to learn how to do this. I don't need you to be taught and you do this. I need you to learn and understand this. So please take the time to do your work early in the week, and then you turn around and you have if you do it right the first time, you're done with your homework for the week. Then you have your review by Friday. On the weekend, you're starting next week's work. And if you get it in on Saturday or Sunday of that week, you're going to get it back, and you're going to stay ahead of the game. If you're deciding that you're going to be a Sunday person, you're going to get the grades you get. There is no extra credit on this. Your extra credit is that you're getting to revise everything that you're doing. So let's get the work done and have a great week, and feel free to call me when if you need me.